हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम ऑल ऑफ यू इन माय यूट्यूब चैनल रुद्रा स्टडी सर्कल। मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल रुद्रा स्टडी में आप लोगों का स्वागत है। इन दिस वीडियो आई एम गोइंग टू वेरीफाई स्टोक थ्योरम। सो यू नो द स्टोक थ्योरम गिव्स द रिलेशन बिटवीन लाइन इंटीग्रल टू सरफेस इंटीग्रल. So verifying Stokes theorem means we have to find the line integral of the given problem. You have to find the surface integral of the given problem, and both should be equal. Then we can say the verification of Stokes theorem. So the question is given: verify Stokes theorem for f equal to x square plus y square I minus 2xyj taken around the rectangle bounded by the line x equal to plus minus a, y equal to 0 and y equal to b. So let me draw the rectangle first. So rectangle we have x equal to plus minus a and y equal to, so here y equal to 0, y equal to b, and x equal to a, x equal to minus a. This is the x axis, this is the y axis. So this is your rectangle. Okay, so what we do, so the Stokes theorem gives the line integral f into dr along the boundary. If you draw this name a b c d, so along this a b c d equal to surface integral curl of f into n ds. So let me try first finding line integral. So this is the rectangle, so let us try to find out. So first, if you find out so we need to find the integral along a b c d f into dr. So first find out what is the f into dr. So f is given here x square plus y square I minus 2xyj. So f into dr equal to x square plus I square I minus 2xyj and I dx plus j dy. So this will be x square plus y square dx minus 2xy dy. Fine. Now if you find out the integral, so the integral a b c d, so this integral equal to along the ab plus bc plus cd plus da. So you have to find out the four integral. So let us see one by one. So along AB, first integral along AB means, can see here, along AB means x equal to fix, x equal to a, so dx equal to 0 and y limit will be 0 to b. So along AB x equal to a, so dx equal to 0 and y limit is 0 to b. So this integral f into dr along the AB will be, dx will be 0, so minus 2ay dy 0 to b. So this is your f into dr. So I have put x equal to a and dx equal to 0, so we got minus 2ay dy. And now if you integrate, so we get the minus ab square. So this is along the AB. Second one along BC. So let us see what is the BC. So along BC, your y equal to b and dy equal to 0 and x limit from a to minus a. Fine. So we can write here y equal to b, dy equal to 0 and x limit will be a to minus a. Fine. So I can write integral f dr will be integral, we can have x square plus b square dx and limit will be a to minus a. So this integral if you solve, so we get minus 2 a cube by 3 minus 2ab square. This simple line integral a to minus a x square plus b square. So here y equal to b, so dy part will be 0 and dx part will have x square plus y square, so y equal to b. So this is the integral, second integral. Let us see the third integral. So third integral we have along CD, along the CD. Okay, let us see what is the condition for the CD. So for the CD, if you see, we have x equal to minus a, so dx will be 0 and y limit will be b to 0. Y limit will be b to 0. So along the CD, I can write here, along the CD we have x equal to minus a, so dx equal to 0 and y limit will be b to 0. So along the CD, x equal to minus a, so dx will be 0 and y limit will be from b to 0. So that line integral we have x square plus y square dx minus 2xy dy. So dx is 0, so here we have minus 2 and a minus a and y dy and b to 0. So we get 2a b to 0 y dy. So we get along the CD, if you solve this integral, so we get minus ab square, minus ab square. Now let me find out the last limit integral along the dA. So for dA, let me explain what is the condition for dA. So along the dA, if you see, so we have y equal to 0, dy equal to 0 and your x limit will be minus a to plus a. So y equal to 0, dy equal to 0 and x limit is minus a to plus a. So along the dA, we have y equal to 0, dy equal to 0 and x limit will be minus a to plus a. So this integral will be, dy part will be 0, so we have dx part only, x square plus y square dx. So x equal to, so y equal to again 0, so we have double integration x square dx, line integral, so x square dx and minus a to plus a, x square dx minus a to plus a. So if you solve, we get the 2a cube by 3. Now if you find out the total integration, so integration a b c d equal to integral along the ab plus along the bc plus cd plus da. So along the ab we have minus ab square, fine. Along the bc we have minus 2a cube by 3 minus 2ab square and cd we have minus ab square and da we have plus 2a cube by 3. So if you simplify, so to cancel, so we have this equal to, we have minus 4ab square. So the line integral equal to minus 4ab square. Let us see the what is surface integral. So surface integral will be curl of f n dot ds. So here n equal to k, because this is the rectangle in the xy plane, so the unit diameter is the z direction, that is the k, and curl of f if you find out, so we get the I j k del by del x del by del y del by del z, and dx coefficient is x square plus y square dy coefficient minus 2 minus 2xy and dz coefficient is 0. So if you simplify, so we get I 0 plus j 0 plus k we have minus 2y minus 2y, so we get the minus 4 ky minus 4 ky. So the surface integral curl of f means minus 4yk into n means k, because this rectangle on the xy plane, and this is the dx dy. So we get minus 4 integral y dx dy. X limit will be minus a to plus a and y limit will be 0 to b. So we get minus 4 and 0 to b y, and for dx we have x and limit a to minus a, so we get 2a here, 2a dy. So we can have minus 4 into 2a into b square by 2, so 2 to cancel, minus 4ab square. So this is your surface integral. So we have seen the line integral is minus 4ab square and surface integral equal to minus 4ab square. So this is the verification of your Stokes theorem. Thank you. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe.